When searching for a phone around 250,000 to 300,000, if you are not careful, sometimes you might get scammed. But don't worry, these phones I'm about to list for you right now are one of the best, the latest phone you can have in 2026. So let's get straight up to it. The first one is the Redmi Note 15 5G. Now, why should you buy this phone?
The Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 gives a premium feel with a slim 7.4mm build, strong IP66 water resistance, and a drop protection for everyday durability. Now the display comes with HDR10 Plus and 3200 nits of peak brightness, which delivers sharp, smooth, and very bright visuals for any condition. The Snapdragon 6 Generation 3 with up to 12GB of RAM is fast, efficient, and stable for gaming, multitasking, and everyday use. The 108 megapixel optical image stabilization camera shoots sharp 4K videos and detailed photos, making it one of the strongest content creation options in this range. The 5200 mAh of battery, or the 5520 mAh of battery with 45 watts of wire fast charging, ensures long-lasting usage and reliable power for heavy daily activities without stress. And for me, this is the best phone on paper for this price, with the price being 240 to around 312k.
The second on my list is the Tecno Spark Slim. Now, why is this a good recommendation for this price range?
The Tecno Spark Slim gives a super premium ultra thin 5.9mm body, arguably one of the slimmest Android phones. Even with the slimness, the phone still packs these things: 144Hz of AMOLED display with high brightness, Helio G200 with 8GB of RAM, good for daily usage and light multitasking. The 50 megapixel too can also shoot quality videos, good for TikTok, Instagram, and everyday content creation. It also includes 5160 mAh of battery with 45 watts of fast charging, which is also good. Consider how thin the body is. Now, with just a sum of 250 to 300k, this one can be yours.
The third on my list is the Galaxy A17 5G. Now, why is this on the list of phones to buy with this price?
Galaxy A17 5G is a longevity phone because it gives you a solid premium feel with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, IP54 splash resistant, and Samsung trusted build quality, which also implies that you don't have to worry about your phone falling at all. Now, the Exynos 1330 processor makes it unique because not anyhow Android uses the chipset. 8GB of RAM is kind of average for me, but it's okay for a phone like this. The main camera comes with optical image stabilization with ultra-wide sensors and macro lenses, which is good and sweet. It also gives you stable and versatile shots for social media and casual photography. You get 5000 mAh of battery with 25 watts of fast charging, ensures all day usage with reliable endurance for work, school, and entertainment. Now you can get this phone with around 200,000 to 270,000 naira.
Third on my list is the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus. Now, I'll show you reasons why you should buy this phone.
The Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus feels like a flagship with its ultra slim 6mm design, premium build, and IP65 water resistance. The 144Hz AMOLED display is super smooth, bright, and perfect for everyday scrolling and content watching. The Helio G200 with up to 8GB of RAM delivers stable performance for daily use and light gaming without stress. The 50 megapixel camera and 30 megapixel selfie shoots clean videos and photos that are good for TikTok and other social media platforms. The massive 5160 mAh of battery with 45 watts of wire charging lasts long and power ups quickly when you need it the most. And the price range is around 250,000 to 320,000.
The fifth one, which is like my favorite one of all, is the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus. Now, why do I like this phone and why would I buy it with 300,000?
The Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus offers a slim 6.5 premium design with Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection and IP64 splash resistance for a stylish but durable feel. Now you get the Helio G200 with 8GB of RAM, which delivers stable everyday performance for apps and light gaming with no lag. The main camera has a gyro electronic image stabilization, which shoots sharp videos at 1440p resolution, making it solid for social media content creation. 5200 mAh of battery is massive with 45 watts of fast charging, plus it also has wireless charging, which means you can charge anywhere and anyhow. Now the price is around 200,000 to 310k.
I hope I have been able to help you to choose which of the phones you can use your money to buy. So that's it on the top 5 phones you can buy with 300k. So check out which phones you can buy with 150,000 naira. Click somewhere around the screen. This is KDN signing out right here.